Hello, welcome to this video about the plugins. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install two plugins on the blog. So personally there is one plugin, it is a plugin about SEO. So this plugin I'm going to show you how to install it. So you have to click here on plugins. And let's go. It's taking a little bit of time to load here. So okay, here we are. And here you have the default one, Hello Dolly and Akismet. So I'm going to add a new plugin, so we have to click here add new, and then here we are. So the plugin I want to install is all-in-one SEO. It's already popping up, anyways, all-in-one SEO. So we click here and here it is. You have a list here. So all-in-one SEO pack, this is the one, and then we're going to click install now. So this plugin in particular helps with the SEO part because it can put your header, the header that you want into the header tag, instead of having to look for the HTML code and then try to change something. With WordPress, you have plugins that can help you do that. So here we are, and I've clicked on it to install it, and now I want to activate it. So activate plugin. And then here you have this red thing normally, and you have to click here, go to the admin page to enable and configure the plugin. So I've done that, I clicked on it, and now here I am. And we have a couple of options here that we can use in order to optimize our blog. So here I'm going to go to enabled, and this blog is about green energy. So let's say here again you want to put a keyword here, or more than one keyword. So let's say here my keyword is learn green energy, and maybe another one is how to have green energy. So let's say these are my two keywords here. I'm going to capitalize the first letter right here, and after doing that we're going to go to the description part here, and let's say because this part, when you go on Google, let's do an example. I'm going to show you here. When you go to Google, the new tab here, this first line right here is actually the title. It's actually this part of right here, home title. It is what Google grabs and put as title. So in this part here, what we're going to write here is normally what is going to show up here actually. So you want it to be keyword optimized, meaning that you want your keyword to be there, the keyword that you want to rank for, it should be there normally. And then this part right here, the description part, is actually the one that is right here. So here you'll have to enter again another, something that has your keywords into it, so that it can help you in your ranking. And let's say that again we want to repeat. People might say that you want to put something insightful here to invite a click, but personally I think it's if we're looking for the keyword, well, I'm going to put the keyword here. So learn green energy, find tips on how to have green energy. Alright, okay, and another dot here, and then here your keywords. Well, you can just copy that and put it right there, and can go URL, rewrite. And something that we're going to do is to optimize our post pages. I don't think it's the pair to do that actually, but still, so you can get rid of this part here again, category format, I don't know for that one, archive, description, page format, and go down, meta, exclude, okay, and then we're going to update options. So this is done right now, and what we want to do also is to optimize our pages. So we're going to go to, for example, our post, to post, and then we're going to click on the post that I've just created a moment ago. And then you see the problem here is that we have the address of the website, mygreenenergyguy.com, and then here we have a slash, and then it's not repeating the keyword that we have here, or the title that we have here. So what we want to do is to optimize this, is to have this thing in here. So I'm going to click on change permalinks, and here we are, and we're going to change this right there. So we're going to click here on custom structure, and then here we're going to put the percentage sign, and then post, and then name in one word, and then another percentage sign. So we have percentage sign, first name, and then percentage sign again. So this is going to change the way our addresses look like in the browser, so it can help us better optimize the site. So we need to save changes, and yeah, so now we have to click here on save changes, and let's go take a look again at our post and see how it looks like now. Here we are. I'm going to click on it, and here you see it's taking the other title that we had before, but we're going to change that, edit, and let's say I'm going to call that green energy for our first post, green energy here, and then click OK. And now we're going to add another post so that you'll see what happened, the way that it has changed. So let's say this post is about one tip about green energy. Okay, one tip about green energy, and we're going to put something here. Well, I mean, it's just hypothetical, but the reason why I wanted to create this post was for you to see this part here. So compared to the first time, now we have the title in here, it's repeated here, and this is better optimized. It's better than the percentage, I mean whatever was here before. So this is better. And I mean, it was just an example. After you enter your post here, so post to enter, you have to publish the post. So here, publish, and after you do that, you can come back here and go to I mean, we're pretty much done with that, but we're going to add another plugin. Click on plugins, and this time we're going to add a plugin that is related to Google Sitemaps. So add new, and the plugin name is, I think, Google Sitemap Generator. So this plugin is going to apparently generate sitemap. Okay, so it's not automatically submitted, but at least it is automatically generated. So we're going to install it. Do you want? Yes, I want to install this plugin, and then activate the plugin. So now that you've activated it, we're going to go to settings, and here we have, after you click on settings, you have here a list of certain plugins that you have, and what we want to click on is Google News Sitemap. And there we have this here, exclude category. So here you can update certain things, change certain things, and yeah, so this is pretty much all you install plugins. It's really not complicated at all. If you want to watch this video again, I mean, you're really free to do so, there is no problem. So you install your plugins, and sometimes you have to make some modifications. So this is it for the plugins part, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to do FTP, how to do file transfer. So see you there. Thank you.